This tutorial review will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on laptop. To play any Android game on your computer, you have to install Android emulator first. The BlueStack Android emulator is a very popular emulator. So go to your browser and search for BlueStacks, and it's super easy to download and install the BlueStacks emulator. Once it's installed, launch the BlueStack, and here click on the search box and type here PUBG, and you will get the PUBG Mobile here. So click on it and click on install in app player to install the PUBG Mobile in your BlueStack. Now go to this app player option, and here you will see your PUBG Mobile is downloading and it's installing. Once it's successfully installed on your BlueStack emulator, you will be able to play the PUBG Mobile on your computer using the BlueStack. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.